Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you the best Quotex strategy and binary option strategy for you. And if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel for next video and next update, okay, and next very good indicator and very good signal bot, okay. And if you not join best binary option broker, link in my description box, simply click start forex and binary trading. Okay, so first of all I can add indicator, and this click indicator, sorry. Shit, man. First of all I add Bollinger Bands, and its setting is default, and second is zigzag. Okay, this setting is default, okay, default settings. And when the jig candle breaks Bollinger Bands and zigzag rejection from zigzag, I can trade it up, okay. And down trade are same as same, okay. When Bollinger Bands break this candle and rejection from zigzag, and I can place trade on down option, okay. I can trade place on higher option, okay. Good entry point, but this trade two trade place, okay. Whoa. Maybe one loss because entry point is not good, okay. Let's see. So I can, here is a good situation. As you can see, here is a Bollinger Bands break this candle and rejection from zigzag and market going down. Here's a martingale, okay. Okay, let's see. Down option. This trade is winning trade, okay. So here is the another trade. Let's see. Here is a not good rejection, that's why market break this level, okay. No problem, I can use martingale for good rejection, okay. Good rejection, market going up, okay, going up, okay. I can place 4 trade. This is a 100% winning trade. Let's see the results, okay. Losing trade, let's see. Going up, please, going up, market going up, please. Going up, yeah, market. Here is a down trend market, but this trade is winning trade, maybe or not. And okay, this trade is draw trade, okay, no problem. So this is if my entry point is good, this is 100% winning trade, okay. So thanks for watching my video. please subscribe my channel for next strategy and next very good strategy. Okay,